this is?
Yes, this is HHN.
Miss Jump. We looked, and we saw him stepping on the mat. We looked, and we saw him, the cat in the hat.
Make that cat go away. You do not want to play. He should not be about when your mother is out.
Why, we can have lots of good fun, if you wish, with a game that I call Up with a Fish. Look at me! Look at me! I'm the cat, with a cup and a cake on the top of my hat.
He fell into a pot.
Do I like this? Oh, no, I do not. I will pick up your book. You will see something really. I call them thing one and thing two. They are so big. They have not here to
Put the fish in the pot.
They should not fly kites in a house. They should not. Think of something to do. You will have to get rid.
So as fast as I could, I went after my net. I bet with my net, I can get those things yet.
Oh dear, you did not like our game. What a shame. What a
Pick it up. There's no way home.
Have no fear of this mess.
Said the cat in the hat.
I always pick up my playthings, and so I will show you another good trick that I know.
Then our mother came in and said to us to.
Did you have any fun? Tell me, what did you do?
Should we tell her about it? Now what should we do? Well, what would you do if your mother asked you?
Please remain seated. Keep your hands and feet inside the vehicle until your lap bar opens and you will pass